Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Hello, we are the Toughbook experts. Today we're going to show you how to upgrade the memory in your Panasonic Toughbook W8. First, what you need to do is turn over your Toughbook like this. There's going to be a bracket with a screw holding it in place located here. I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. You need to remove this screw here. We'll do that now. At this point, the piece should be able to fall out of place. Now, you take your memory and you insert it into the slot. There you go. Now you simply replace the cover. Replace the screw. Thank you for tuning in here. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. If you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to hit the like button as well as subscribe to our channel. And remember, sharing is caring. Thanks for tuning in here at Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff Inc. Until next time.
Thanks for watching today. For more repair videos, click the link below. And remember, if you have a screwdriver, you can fix a computer.